looks like Blevin was editing creatively. I wonder why. Yo, welcome, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is Xavier, and it's Andor episode 8. So a little quick recap of what we just went through. Mon Mothma is trying to bring in this new person to help her access her phones. Cassian returned to Ferrix, spoke to Bix and Marva. They weren't having it. Bix told him to leave because his presence is threatening everybody's welfare. Marva doesn't want to leave with him because she wants to stay in the fight. Luften is happy that his plan worked because he wants to spark some in the people. The Empire is cracking down. They're being draconian. They're introducing harsher penalties. They're reevaluating prison sentences. Yeah, they're cracking down. Meero makes a play, and it's working out so far for her, but she has the sights in her back now from Blevin. Karen accepts this rote, just did the job. He just do the thing. You know, he has no love for this. He's just doing it. And Cassian, he is now at Vel is now supposed to take out Cassian. And Cassian is on a planet as a tourist, and he gets arrested. And instead of a 6-month charge, because the Empire is cracking down, it's now a 6-year charge. So that's where we ended this episode. We ended this episode with Karen, and it's just boring job, but whatever. Yeah, Cassian is there. So how is that gonna play out? This episode synopsis says the Empire catches up to Cassian, but are as yet unaware of his identity and past. So as a figure here, so we're gonna see how things play out with Cassian. He's gonna be in prison, I assume, and so we're gonna see how that affects things. Yeah, let's get into it.
Move it! Don't you look at me! Move it! Keep moving! Up the stairs! Pick it up!
I don't know why that's reminded me of the Guardians of the Galaxy scene where they're in prison. I don't know why.
I've had a lot of folks try to kill me over the years. I ain't about to be brought down by a tree and a talking raccoon. Old?
What's a raccoon?
What's a raccoon? It's what you are, stupid.
Ain't no thing like me except me.
What's Narkina 5? I'm a tourist!
Move it! I'll let it.
Guillermo's.
Del Sarvis.
Okay, well, what a transition from that heightening of the music and then just this. Blase. Nicely done. But yeah, so Narkina is the name of the episode, and Narkina 5 is, I guess, where that transport is heading to. I guess. Yeah. Are these Imperials there for Karen?
Anywhere, come on, sit down!
Oh wait, that look like that. One of those look like Meero's persons. Yeah, one of those look like Meero's persons. Lieutenant Meero. So it seems she's getting in Karen for his first-hand experience. I don't know. Yeah, I was right.
Been at the Bureau of Standards for less than a month, and you filed 5 false inquiries.
6, actually.
I wasn't counting this morning.
Oh, damn.
What are you doing, Mr. Khan?
Yes, what are you doing?
Cassian Andor is a murderer and a threat to the Empire. I have been trying, with the limited tools available, to find him.
Give him Blevin's report. Let him read it. Keep him in there.
Of all days.
We have time.
Ah, look at it. Blevin was editing creatively. I wonder why. I don't know why it sounded like that. It's like Tartarus in My Hero.
Ferrex was a mistake. It's the first one he's made. Drill down is exactly what I want to do, sir. Drill down, find Andor, and get a hunt started.
Hey, Midro is efficient. She knows what she's doing. She is very competent. I'll give her that.
I'm sure some, if not all of you, are wondering how we risk standing before you without weapons. It's a potent question. And hopefully one you won't need to have answered very often, but...
Oh, damn. Oh, so that's what the shoes are for.
You'll stop filing requests for Andor. Anticipating that, I will inform the Bureau of Standards that you were of service to the Empire today.
I was a good deputy inspector.
I solved a double murder and found the killer in 2 days. It was overly ambitious, yes, but time was slipping away and the opportunity was real. Service to the Empire. You just said it. Can one ever be too aggressive in preserving order?
Oh, this man is trying to get something back.
It's also clear that whatever this is more important than the death of 2 corporate security guards. It could be a valuable asset going forward.
Is it gonna work?
The alarm. One more time, and it won't be me you're speaking to. Forget this happened.
Nope, it did not work.
My name is Kino Loy. I'm the 52D unit manager. The 49 men in this room answer to me. Name?
Kiev. Kiev Gergel.
You won't be back. They only come to pick up the dead and bring their replacements. You're mine now.
Wow.
You play against all the other tables in this room. I play against all the other rooms.
Play.
Call it what you will. The point of this conversation is that you understand one thing most clearly.
People
I
die?
have 249 days left of my sentence. Losing hope, your mind, keep it yourself.
He don't care.
Ever slow up my line. Table 5.
Oh, he means business. Oh.
Work! Hands right, get to it, right?
Oh, I recognize that guy.
Get busy or get fried!
They're making this so intense. Who knew making something so ordinary could be so thrilling?
How much are we worrying about?
400,000.
Senator,
Oh, it's just coming to get you.
parents said you were hoarding the sweets.
I always forget you're Chandlern at heart.
And I always forget how sweet you are when you're looking for votes.
That guy is familiar. I've seen him in stuff before. I like that. I'm seeing some familiar faces in among these new faces. Yeah. What? Oh, it's communicating with somebody else.
The Emperor's primary charge is to protect us, is it not? And that's what the PORD legislation will do.
How much protection is enough?
We know what too little looks like.
Surveillance and prosecution, without limit.
If you're doing nothing wrong, what is there to fear?
Well, I'm fearing your definition of wrong.
These are dangerous times.
Dangerous times.
Are they not?
Do you feel under threat?
Personally,
here, yes, I'm at great risk of ingesting too much of this nourishing Chandrilan hospitality.
Funny. So humorous.
And food?
The tube. You can get as much as you want. They like us healthy and fueled. Don't worry, you learn to eat it.
I guess.
Winner gets taste with their food. Top table wins flavor. Last place gets fried.
Damn.
And that is your tab.
What kind of tab? What do you mean?
What did you do?
Nothing.
Not that lately. At least you know where you stand from the start. No surprises.
Oh, those are the days. Oh.
Tighten up! Hot floor!
You got 7 seconds, Cassian. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I guess that's a level 3 sensation.
No, he left. He said he had an early morning.
Of course. Excuse me, if you will. So nice to meet you. I'm going to spend more time at this window, I promise you.
I get why she's not spending so much time at the window. She's busy with politics and the rebellion, so lots on her plate. Oh, group shower. Yeah. Well, not so much a shower as a cleansing or whatever that is.
Hey! You just taking a breather. Come on, guys! You got a chance of winning the shift today. It's a shame to waste it.
Keith. Keith.
Oh, Andy Serkis is loving that.
She can't stay here much longer.
Good luck with that.
What about the daughters of Ferrix? She's a past president. They must have a warm room somewhere.
They've tried. She's made her wishes clear.
She's not gonna leave. If Cassian couldn't get her to do it.
Alone?
Two of us would draw too much attention.
We'll just stay here and wait, just hope he shows up. Could be anywhere.
This is all we have right now. What's the alternative?
Haven't we been apart long enough?
It's not about us.
It's about the rebellion.
After what we've been through.
Yeah.
You think the Empire stops to catch its breath? This is a fight to the death, Vel. I told you up front. The struggle will always come first. We take what's left.
Feelings no matter to say, Vel. Sorry to tell you. Well, you know already, but...
She could point us in the right direction.
She's asking us.
She knows more than we do. So much more. She might have a lead.
Yeah, more likely it's the ISB working her radio.
You're guessing.
And you're slipping.
Cleo's right, you can't...
The code, the frequency, all of it. I'm thinking clearly and you're not.
I'm not slipping, Clea. I've just been hiding for too long.
It's all different now. We're going loud.
Yeah.
Vulnerability is inevitable.
Yeah.
I'm not slipping.
Things are hot.
I just need you to wake up. There's a lot to do.
I like Cleo. She's keeping him on the straight and narrow. You gotta be sharp. Somebody...
Who is it now? He railed it. Who? Vimos. Vimos! Table 3, the tall one, fell! He jumped.
He jumped. Oh yeah, that's a level 3. That's a level 3. I said level 2 earlier, but no, it's a level 3. Level 3 is death. Okay, I get it.
What's going on?
They took Pack in last night.
Where?
The hotel. He never came home.
Get these people back. I want a perimeter. 2 and 2. Up and down. Clear the lane.
Oh, it was her fault.
Get her! Go! Get her!
Oh yeah, they're closing in. Oh yeah, they were listening for the transactions. For the what they call the transmissions. I've seen that shot before.
The garrison at Aldani. Was that you?
I was just about to ask you the same thing.
Well, you meet with Krieger, they're free. You don't, I'll take them elsewhere.
I work alone.
That's what I'm trying to change.
I'm not going to put my people at risk for someone else.
We need to pull together, Saul. Whatever our final version of success looks like, there's no chance any of us can make it real on our own.
That is true.
We need them coming down hard. Oppression breeds rebellion.
Krieger's a separatist. My pay's a neo-Republican. The Gorman Front, the Partisan Alliance, sectorists, human cultists, galaxy partitionists. They're lost. All of them lost. What are you, Luther? I've never really known. What are you?
Someone who helps you.
I'm a coward.
That too.
What are you doing? Get him out of here. Quickly.
You two, with me. Now!
Hey.
Ooh, well done, Meero. Scared her up.
Hello, Biggs.
What are they doing in the chair? Interesting. Alright, so that was episode 8 of Andor. So, there's a lot happening. So we were on Narkina 5. We were on Ferrets. We were on Coruscant. Yeah. That's where we were. Alright, so let's go through what was happening on Coruscant. So this was branched out a little bit. For the Imperial side, it was that Meero was presenting her plan to the higher ups at the ISB. She got approval, and she was also speaking to Karn, because Karn had been submitting stuff about Cassian Andor. She brought Karn in, he read the reports, and the information he provided was useful, but not enough to get him reinstated or you know, even at a lower rank, nothing for him. So that sucks for Karn. And with Mothma, I think her husband is suspicious or something. and their daughter too. They're like, Tay is around a little bit too much. Something going on. But yeah, so but Tay is having some trouble with he's having trouble with the money because along with the crackdown on the harsher penalties, they're watching everything more closely now with the money and everything. So Monthman's having some problems there. And her relationship with her husband is rocky. They were married at like 15, and she's been a senator since she was 16. So, and they're clearly in the like 40s, 30s or 40s now. So things are tricky for them. Very, very rough. You know, that amount of time changes persons. And so, I don't know, I can't blame him for their relationship with Rocky. On Narkina 5, Cassian is in this like group of 7, and last place in 7 tables, group of 7, first gets flavor in their gruel. Flavored gruel. Last place gets the snot punched out to them by this painful forceful thing that's on the floor. That's why they're bare feet, because you need the special boots to be able to withstand it, and they didn't have boots. So one look at that and you're rough. It's harsh. We saw that one guy dies. He was at night, they have a lights out, and if you step on that floor, you're dead. He willingly jumped on that floor in the night. Yeah, I guess he just had enough. He couldn't. Maybe he had like 5 years left on his sentence, and he just couldn't bother anymore. He was like, I give up. You know, the depression got to him, and he couldn't take it anymore. So, R.I.P. him. Sorry, he just couldn't take it anymore, and he did it. So, you know, it's not necessarily that it's like harsh. It's just mentally taxing, because you have to be competing every day. That just gets you. You have to be competitive every day. You have to try to be up there. You have to not be last. You have to try to aim for first. You can't take it easy one day. You have to keep at it. You just have to keep at it, because if you slack off, it's not just you that's feeling it. It's your six other people are depending on you, and you're also depending on you. So it's just mentally taxing, and it can break you. And yeah, so it's harsh. It's a harsh life, and they're very as we saw in the scene where they get Cassian, they're very like they want things to be done in a certain order, and they're like so complicated with what they're doing, like we have to be on schedule and stuff. So yeah, they want order. They want order in their psychological torture. Yeah, we see Luthen trying to team up with Saul to get something going, but Saul is not having it. And so that plan was going to fruition. It was cool to see Force Whitaker reprise that role as Saul Guerrero. So nice. Very well done in the makeup, CGI, whatever they did to him. I gotta give them props, because he looked demonstrably younger. So great job. Because that man is in like in his 50s, 60s now, and he looked like in his 30s, 40s. So But yeah, I appreciate the work that they did. Top notch, top notch. On Ferrix, they're cracking down. Vel and Sint are there. Vel clears out, Sint stays. And Biggs tries to call Luthen, but Claire's like, keeps his mind focused, and she's like, no. You can't do that, you can't do it yet. But they shut it down. Things are too hot. It's too hot there. It's too hot. Cut it off right now. Cut it off. You can't do it. Maybe sometime, but cut it off right now. So, looks like they were monitoring communications. Pat gets in trouble because it's his place that the tower is at. And, you know, Biggs was an associate of Biggs was an associate of Cassian, so he gets roped in. And they worked back over good, so they're definitely gonna give Biggs the business. So that sucks for Biggs. Really does suck. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. Well, this is a good episode. It gives you idea of like how like the senators are viewing this Imperial crackdown. We see Meero getting more leeway, she getting more power, she getting a chance to put her plan into action. She's on the trail. Karen tries something, but him not get through. Mudlima is frustrated. Luthen is frustrated because he's trying to put something together, but that never worked when he tried to. Vel and Cinta looking for Cassian to kill him. Marva is doing badly. She's doing badly. No. And Cassian is stuck in prison. And he's been there for roughly like a month. Yeah. He's in prison for like roughly a month. So I wonder how long they're gonna keep him in there. Just to say, we're at okay, so episode 5. I haven't read the synopsis. I just seen the episode title. Episode 9. No, what is this thing? I see card in the screen cap. And episode 10, One Way Out, I see Cassian and Andy Serkis' character, I don't remember his name, in the screen cap there. So I don't know what's happening in this episode, but I know Cassian is still in prison in episode 10. So I wonder what happens in episode 10. I don't know. I'm literally not only looking at somehow. I'm not reading the captions, and I'm just seeing the pictures and the titles. That's weird. But yeah, so I don't really have much to say right now. If I think of anything, it'll come up eventually. So that's it for now. But a good episode, another good episode. We saw some familiar faces, like that one senator and that prisoner in Cassian's team, and Andy Serkis. He's killing that role. Good job, Andy. And yeah.